Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. The 181 Women Helpline Meghalaya of Social Welfare Department commemorates the International Women's Day. 12-wheeler truck catches fire while travelling through Maukhanu area on the Shillong bypass road. And Lightcore Sports Club lifts the glittering trophy of the 2nd Division Football Final of Shillong Sports Association. The 181 Women Helpline Meghalaya of Social Welfare Department today commemorated the International Women's Day in collaboration with NocMass Police Outpost along with NocMass Dorba Shillong. During this program, the psychiatrist Dr. Andrisha Maoyong gave a talk on substance. A talk on child rights and protection was delivered by the coordinator of Childline 1098, Mrs. Ibala Rilan Sinrem. On the topic, effective response was given by Meghalaya Police Sub-Inspector Sangma. A talk on women's rights and services was given by Helpline Manager 181 Women Helpline Mrs. Elfidia Dotling. This year's theme was Break the Bias to encourage further people to commit to helping forge for an inclusive world.
Kata kami kapang bangsan pa kajik imjeng yohan lang kasi. Nama jeng itu lang kabanding kondo na yen ngasam ki kadai kata kapang video yang kat imang kasak lang jemi habapan kajik imjeng ini kapang mana kasi. Habang kita ni hok jemi nak tilum lang tilum saw beli. Kabanding kong mereka hok bandien. Nada mo ang hok bandien na nakatili ki berkai na saya jemi pun boong kai bandien ji roti kapra orang pan. Yung kapang nang katajan kena. Bagi kesan kebangsaan kita kini datang duduk kata-kata dari beberapa kata dengan keren bantu.
A 12-wheeler truck while travelling from Guwahati to Meghalaya was caught on fire today morning at Maukhanu area on the Shillong bypass road near the toll gate of the National Highway Authority of India. Sources said no one was injured in the fire incident. Lightcore Sports Club today roam home with the glittering trophy of the 2nd Division Football Final organised by Shillong Sports Association at Polo Ground in Shillong after defeating Millennium Sports Club by 1-0. In the hard-fought match, Uvasius Mautho of Lightcore Sports Club scored in the 13th minute of the first half. The second goal was scored by Sondi Felix Karkongor, 76th minute of the second half of the match. The trophies were given away by the President of Shillong Sports Association, Eugene Sin Lingdo, the Tribal Chief of Hima Millennium Paem Ainam Manix Aim and others. Lightcore Sports Club was awarded Rs 50,000 and Millennium Sports Club was given Rs 25,000. Both these football teams have now entered the 1st Division of the Shillong Sports Association.
Guru.
The traditional heads of Garo community known as NocMass belonging to North and East Garo Hills today strongly condemned the state government and the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council led NPP Executive Committee for not consulting the NocMass while finalizing the 6th Scheduled Amendment Bill. The meeting of the NocMass, which was held at Nocma Council Hall in William Nagar, strongly criticized the state government for not giving them the copy of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule. The NocMass also said that they will abide by the certain law of Indian Parliament that village council is another aspect of Panchayati Raj, which is mentioned clearly in the Article 243 of the Indian Constitution, and it is also crystal clear in the Article 243 which says Panchayati Raj or village council cannot be applied in scheduled areas. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.